Hi you guys, I'm Nikki, mother of 6, wife, content creator, and dreamer, and this is our journey. We gave up everything to move home to take care of our parents and restore our 100-year-old home. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's renovate one room at a time. Let's jump right into today's video. So this is the area in the front yard we're working on today. As you can tell, she is patchy, dry, and she needs some TLC. I trimmed down the boxwood trees in our last video, and I am super excited to show you babes how I want this area. I'm gonna pop a picture in, but my plan is to go in with some begonia, some impatiens, and vinca flowers. I think these 3 flowers work really well together, and they're beautiful. It's a ton of shades, and I think it's gonna go over from summer to fall. I'm really excited to see what it looks like. So the first thing we're going to do is create an outline of where we want to plant everything. The begonia and the vinca plants I purchased straight out of the store, but I am starting the impatiens from seeds. So that's going to take time to fill in, but I'm excited. So let's get to work. So here is the outline of where we want the flowers to go. So I know I want to add stone, brick, or rocks around the outline with some lights just to see what it would look like. I think it would be like a real aesthetically pleasing front yard at nighttime if I were to add lights and rocks or stones around here. So yeah, it took me a while to loosen up the soil because there are a ton of rocks and there are a ton of flies and a ton of wasps around the house right now, you guys. I don't know what's going on or why they are dropping so many flies in this area. Oh, it's this screwworm thing. If you haven't read up on that, be sure to look up the screwworm in Texas. But they are dropping a ton of flies, and it's flies everywhere. There are wasps everywhere, and every few minutes I would have to run off. I did get stung. My right hand is swollen now, but I decided to work through the pain. Okay, so now I am just adding soil. I was not able to get like the grass and the weeds that are close to the box tree because it's a ton of wasps in there, and anytime I would get close, they would come out and I would have to run. So yeah. Anywho, I am just loosening up the soil here. I added some more soil on top of this. I am actually running out of soil too. But yeah, I'm just mixing it in, and now we're going to pop our flowers where we want them. Nothing is final yet. This is just us seeing how cute it is and if we like it once we put the flowers in the ground. I started our impatient seeds in this tiny container, and I am ready to remove them and pop them in the ground. I am nervous because they are so tiny and I just don't want to kill anything. I don't want to kill them, and I don't want to start over because it took them a while to grow. So yeah, we are going to pop these right into the ground and we're going to see how it turns out. I really hope I like this, you guys, because it just took a while for them to grow and I am very impatient, but let's pop them into the ground. is a quick tip with your flowers. When you go to the store and you buy a pot of flowers, it's not just one. All you have to do is loosen up your soil. Make sure you remove it gently, but loosen up your soil and just remove each one. They plant a ton of seeds in one little area and they allow them to grow. So you can definitely split your plants and you can get more for your buck. So this one flower, I believe, had maybe 3 or 4 in one. I hung some up at the top and I put 3 into the ground. So yeah, this is a quick little tip if you're purchasing like flower pots and hanging flowers from the store. If you want to break those up and put them in multiple places, you definitely can, and they will still be full. They will still grow. Just make sure you use the right amount of soil and continue to water. I think maybe the first week or two, continue to water so they will get used to the ground that you put them in. My flowers did go through a shock once I decided to split them and put them in the ground, but now they are blooming and they love it. So yeah, you don't have to go and buy 8 different plants. You can just purchase one and break it up, or purchase 2 and break it up in a lot of different areas. I did this with my lantana plant as well. So just a quick little tip. Completely honest here, you guys, I didn't like the way everything turned out. It's something about the begonia being so moody and the vinca being so bright right now, and the impatiens, they have not grown in yet, and we know that they are a ton of different shades, and I don't have the other colors right now, and I don't like the way it turned out. I am eager to hear what you guys think. My family think it's beautiful. I am like, it's okay, but it's not where I want it to be. So I am thinking about going to purchase more flowers just to add in, just to fill up some of the space. But I am going to show you the before and after, and I hope you babes like, love, and enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts or what you would change or something you would do different. But we're going to figure it out. I'm definitely going to see you in another part of the yard next week, and we'll come back to this one. We're going to let